Today, we're having a natural, relaxed conversation.
Just like two friends talking in real life.
No pressure,
No studying.
just listening.
And enjoying the conversation. Hey everyone,
Welcome back.
I'm Ben.
And I'm Jane.
Today we're talking about daily life.
Simple things.
Normal routines.
The kind of conversations people have every day.
Jane, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Do you ever feel like your days are very similar?
Yes.
Like one day feels almost the same as the next?
I think many people feel that way.
Wake up,
Get ready.
go to work,
Come home.
repeat.
Exactly.
Sometimes it feels like time moves very quickly.
Yes.
Monday suddenly becomes Friday,
And then it's the weekend again.
and before you know it,
Another week has passed.
what does a typical weekday look like for you?
It's quite simple.
Tell me,
I usually wake up around 7.
do you use an alarm?
Yes.
Do you wake up immediately?
Not always.
Same.
Sometimes I stay in bed for a few minutes.
Just lying there?
Yes.
Thinking?
Or just waking up slowly.
I do that too.
It feels nice, right?
Yes.
A gentle start to the day.
After that, what do you usually do?
I get up and go to the kitchen.
First thing?
Yes.
Coffee.
Of course.
Coffee is very important.
Very important.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes.
What do you usually eat?
Something simple.
Like what?
Toast.
Nice.
Or fruit.
Healthy.
I try.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes.
Right away?
Almost.
What do you check first?
Messages.
Same.
Then maybe emails.
Work emails?
Yes.
That can change your mood quickly.
Exactly.
Sometimes I wish mornings could be slower,
I agree.
without checking anything.
Just a quiet start.
Yes.
That would feel peaceful.
After breakfast, what happens next?
I get ready for work.
How long does that take?
About 30 minutes.
That's quite fast.
I try to keep it simple.
Do you leave the house at the same time every day?
Usually, yes.
Routine again.
Exactly.
What's your commute like?
It depends.
Sometimes busy?
Very busy.
Public transport?
Yes.
Trains?
Yes.
Crowded?
Very crowded.
That sounds stressful.
Sometimes it is.
What do people usually do on the train?
Most people look at their phones.
Of course.
Some listen to music.
Headphones everywhere.
Yes.
Anyone talking?
Not really.
Everyone is quiet.
Mostly.
That's interesting.
Why?
So many people together.
But no conversation.
Exactly. What do you usually do during your commute?
I listen to something.
Like music?
Sometimes.
What else?
Podcasts.
Good idea.
It helps pass the time.
I do the same.
Really?
Yes.
What kind of podcasts?
Mostly conversations.
That makes sense.
It feels natural. Sometimes I just observe people.
On the train?
Yes.
What do you notice?
Everyone looks busy.
Or tired?
Yes.
Morning faces.
Exactly. It makes me think
About what?
how similar our lives are.
That's true.
Different people
But similar routines.
wake up,
Go to work.
come home,
Rest.
repeat. Do you enjoy your routine?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Yes.
Why?
Because routine feels safe.
but also predictable.
Exactly.
I feel the same,
Routine can be comfortable.
but sometimes a little boring.
Yes.
Do you ever try to change your routine?
Sometimes.
Like what?
Small changes.
Give me an example.
Maybe I take a different route to work.
That's interesting.
Or I try a new cafe.
Nice.
Or I walk instead of taking the train.
That's a big change.
Yes,
Small changes can feel refreshing,
exactly.
even simple things.
Like trying a new place.
Or changing your schedule.
Yes,
I think daily life doesn't have to be boring.
I agree.
It depends on how we see it.
And what we do with it.
Exactly. Even small moments can be interesting.
Like a conversation.
Or a walk.
Or a quiet morning.
Exactly.
So, after your commute, you arrive at work.
Yes.
What's the first thing you usually do?
I sit down and open my laptop.
Straight to work?
Almost.
Almost?
I usually take a moment first.
A moment?
Yes.
To do what?
Just settle in.
That makes sense. Do you talk to your coworkers in the morning?
Sometimes.
What do you usually say?
Simple things.
Like what?
Good morning.
Classic.
Or how are you?
And what do people usually say?
Good.
Short answers.
Very short.
Do people have longer conversations?
Not usually in the morning.
Everyone is focused?
Yes.
Or still waking up?
Probably both.
Morning energy is different.
Yes.
People are quieter,
Less talkative.
more serious.
Exactly.
What about later in the day?
People talk more.
During breaks?
Yes.
Lunchtime?
That's when conversations happen.
Do you usually eat lunch alone or with others?
It depends.
Sometimes alone?
Yes.
Sometimes with coworkers?
Yes.
What do people talk about during lunch?
Simple things.
Like what?
Food,
Of course.
weekend plans,
That's common.
or things that happened recently.
Daily life again.
Exactly.
Do you enjoy those conversations?
Yes.
Why?
Because they're relaxed.
No pressure?
No pressure.
Just talking.
Exactly.
I think those small conversations are important.
I agree.
They make work feel more human,
Yes.
not just tasks.
But people.
Do you ever have awkward conversations at work?
Oh, yes.
Everyone does.
Yes.
Give me an example.
Sometimes you don't know what to say.
That happens.
There's a silence.
An awkward silence.
Exactly.
What do you do in that situation?
I try to ask a simple question.
Like,
How's your day going?
that's a good one.
Or are you busy today?
Easy and natural. Small questions keep conversations going.
Yes.
You don't need complicated topics.
Simple is better.
I remember one time at work.
What happened?
I was in the kitchen area.
Office kitchen?
Yes,
That's where conversations happen.
exactly. I was making coffee,
Of course.
and someone walked in.
Did you know them?
Not very well.
So what did you say?
I said, hi.
Good start.
They said, hi.
And then?
Silence.
Oh no.
Yes.
What did you do?
I panicked a little.
That's normal.
Then I said, busy day?
Good recovery.
They said, yeah, very busy.
And the conversation continued?
Yes. We talked for a few minutes.
About work?
And weekend plans.
See?
Simple questions work.
They really do.
I think many people worry too much about conversations.
Yes.
They think they need perfect English.
Or perfect sentences.
But real conversations are simple.
Very simple.
People repeat words.
They pause.
They think.
They use short sentences.
Just like this conversation.
Exactly.
That's why listening to real conversations is helpful.
Yes.
Because this is how people actually speak.
Not perfect.
But natural. What about afternoons?
Afternoons can feel slow,
I agree.
especially after lunch.
Energy drops.
Yes.
People feel tired.
Exactly.
Do you ever feel sleepy in the afternoon?
Sometimes.
Same.
It's very common.
What do you do when that happens?
I take a short break.
Good idea.
Maybe walk around.
That helps.
Or drink water.
Simple solutions. Work life has many small moments.
Yes.
Small conversations.
Small breaks.
Small routines.
Exactly.
You know, Jane, after talking about all this,
Yes,
daily life feels very simple,
it does.
but also meaningful.
That's a nice way to say it.
Sometimes people think life needs to be exciting all the time.
Yes,
Big events,
big changes.
something new every day.
But real life is different.
Most of life is made of small moments,
Very small moments.
morning routines,
Short conversations.
quiet time,
Simple habits.
and those moments are important,
They really are.
even if they seem ordinary.
Exactly.
I think people don't always notice those moments,
Because they're busy.
or distracted.
Always thinking about the next thing.
Yes. Do you think people are too busy these days?
I think so.
Why?
Because there's always something to do.
Work,
Messages.
notifications.
Social media.
Everything wants attention.
Exactly.
And when everything is fast,
People don't slow down.
they don't pause.
They don't reflect.
That's true. Do you ever feel like that?
Yes.
Like your mind is always busy?
Sometimes
What do you do when that happens?
I try to slow down.
How?
Simple things.
Like what?
Going for a walk.
That helps.
Or sitting quietly.
No phone?
No phone.
That's difficult for many people.
Yes, but it feels good.
I agree.
Even 10 minutes can make a difference.
Just a short break.
Exactly.
I think people underestimate small breaks.
Yes.
They think they need a big change.
But small changes are powerful.
Very powerful. Even something like listening to English for a few minutes.
That helps too.
Yes,
Consistency matters more than intensity.
that's a great point. Many learners try to study too much at once,
And then they feel tired.
or overwhelmed.
And then they stop.
Exactly. But learning a little every day is better.
Much better.
10 minutes,
20 minutes.
every day.
That builds real progress.
Just like daily routines.
Yes.
Small habits create big results.
Over time.
Do you think routines are good or bad?
I think they are both.
Interesting.
They are good because they give structure.
That's true.
But they can feel boring.
Also true. So what's the solution?
Balance.
Balance?
Yes.
Explain.
Keep your routine.
Okay.
But add small changes.
Like what?
Try something new.
Small things?
Yes.
That makes sense. Like taking a different route,
Exactly.
or trying a new cafe,
Yes.
or talking to someone new.
That can be difficult.
But also interesting. I think talking to new people is important.
I agree.
It helps build confidence,
And communication skills.
especially in English.
Yes.
Many learners are afraid to speak.
That's very common.
They worry about mistakes.
Or saying the wrong thing.
But mistakes are normal.
Very normal.
Do you think mistakes are necessary?
Yes.
Why?
Because mistakes help you learn.
That's true.
Without mistakes, there's no improvement.
I like that idea.
Me too.
Mistakes are part of the process.
Exactly.
I remember making many mistakes when learning languages.
Same here.
Sometimes it felt embarrassing,
Yes.
but later it became easier.
Because you kept going.
Exactly. That's an important message.
Yes.
Keep going,
Even when it feels difficult.
even when progress feels slow, because slow progress is still progress.
Exactly.
Step by step.
Day by day.
And listening is one of the best ways to improve,
Yes.
because you learn naturally,
Without pressure.
without stress.
Just by hearing the language.
Over time, your brain adapts.
You recognize patterns.
You understand more.
And speaking becomes easier too.
Jane, imagine someone listening to this entire episode.
Okay.
That's about 20 minutes.
That takes focus.
And effort. So if you've listened until now,
That's already a big achievement.
you should feel proud.
Keep going.
Because the more you listen,
The easier English becomes.
little by little,
Conversation by conversation.
and one day,
You will understand naturally.
without thinking too much.
Just like real life conversations.
Today we talked about daily life,
Simple routines.
work,
Conversations.
small moments.
The things that happen every day.
And those are the most useful topics for learning English.
Because they are real.
You will use them.
In your daily life.
So keep listening.
Keep practicing.
And don't worry about perfection.
Just focus on progress.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helped your English.
Keep learning
Keep listening.
and enjoy the process. We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.